My name's Bill Arnold, MD, Ph.D. I'm an adult reconstruction surgeon with Rothman Orthopaedics. The main hospitals where I work out of would be the Rothman Orthopaedic Specialty Hospital in Bensalem and Jefferson Torresdale Hospital in Northeast Philadelphia. I think I chose Rothman really just because of the excellence of the organization. So it was exciting to be part of an organization with such a fabulous reputation, not only in the area, but nationally. It also was an organization that gave me the opportunity, because I have an MD, PhD, to still be able to pursue some of my PhD type of studies with some basic research in the labs down at Jefferson. I'm one of 12 children, so I was raised in a very large group where you kind of have to learn to get along and interact. And so I kind of see that as one of my strengths, and I would hope that patients pick that up. These are patients usually with end-stage degenerative arthritis of their hip or knee joint who have been through a good amount of non-surgical treatment already, and it's just not getting them where they want to be. I think that the relationship with the patient is just as important as anything we do in the operating room. The majority of patients who see us as new patients do not get surgery, because we go over really all of the options with them. Usually on the first encounter, we discuss all the options and just make sure the patients have really gotten appropriate care up to that point before you would begin to consider surgery. If you have problems with your hip or knee, whether it's a long-standing problem or something that you've had for a shorter period of time, come and see me. I'd be happy to help you. If you'd like to make an appointment with me, Bill Arnold, and visit rothmanortho.com.